Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is King's Bread TV. Kindly subscribe and like this video and share. Presently now my printer is on toner low and is expecting me to change the toner cartridge, which I've just done a moment ago. Alright, so what I need to do right now is to reset the toner. Once I reset it, it should respond to the settings. This is very similar to my previous video on this particular channel. So just what I'm going to do first is that I'm going to open this cover, and the moment I open this cover, it shows me cover is open in front. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press clear and then press asterisk and then you press 00 and then you press hash. So the moment you do that, it brings this and it asks you to cover. So when you cover, it asks you to wait while it is warming up, and while it's doing that, it's actually going to reset the printer at the moment. So the moment it's done resetting, then your printer is just ready for use. So just watch this. Now you see that it's ready. Right away it's ready. That has been cleared. Kindly subscribe to this channel and like this video. Thank you. This is King's Bread.